2 of our kitchen rental. As you see here, I got all these cabinets at Lowe's. They were $20 each. They're custom made cabinets that basically someone did not no longer want it, so they had to get rid of them because they can't keep any in stock. And so each cabinet here is $230 for each cabinet, but they were marked down to $20, and I'll show you some pictures of that. But I decided these used to be this color, this brown color when I got them, but then I painted them white. Didn't really too much like the white because the white gets really dirty. Then decided to go with this blue. Alright, so this is the color we got so far. Right now I'm debating whether to paint those like a gray. My husband had some leftover gray paint. This is like really dark. If not, then I'm going to go to the store and buy a lighter gray, or I might just leave it white. But I have these little tiles. You can see my little tiles lined up there. Excuse the mess, I am renovating. I'm going to be doing the uppers. So, same process. Got my color, I got the sprayer, and I've already cleaned and sanded the top cabinets. So all I have to do is spray them. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry and we'll be back. Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the kitchen renovation. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.